Alright, the first thing you want to do is make sure your car is completely designed. Make sure that you did not cut into your axle holes or cut into your power plant housing. As long as everything looks safe, you can go ahead and start the conversion process of this drawing into a multi-view. Make sure that you save anything that you have currently done. And you're going to go to the tab that is for opening up new files. So I'm going to click on this piece of paper with the corner dog-eared. We're going to do a new style of drawing. Make sure you're in the metric folder. And you are going to scroll down, and we are looking for an ANSI millimeter IDW. We've never done this kind before, so it's brand new. So click on this and then hit create. You're going to notice that when this drawing type pops up, the page looks a bit different. Don't let that bother you at all. It's pretty easy to do. First thing I'm going to do is go click on my base button. That's the same as our front view in a multi-view. In this window that pops up, you're going to click on the folder with the magnifying glass over it, and what you're doing is searching for your CO2 car file. This one's called Car Body Princess Buttercup. It's not the real Princess Buttercup. This is an imposter. I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to hit open. As soon as I do that, I just move my cursor into my drawing space, and I want to click when I'm in the approximate spot for a front view. So I'm going to click right now. And you'll notice that it builds a view. I have hidden lines where my power plant housing is, and you can see the circles where my axle holes are going to be. I haven't done anything special. All I'm going to do is slide my mouse straight up, and it's going to build me a top view. I'm going to click. I can go over to the right, and I'm going to be able to get an isometric, and then I go down and it gives me a front view of my car. Okay, notice that it's not actually drawing the cars, it's just kind of showing you that, hey man, as soon as you do the next thing right, I'm going to go ahead and draw those cars for you. Okay, what you're going to do with your mouse right now is right click and then hit create. Okay, all your views go in then. The only other thing left to do is down in this space that I'm hovering over, you're going to need to write your first name, your last name, and what hour you have tech. Okay? You're going to go up to the top here where it says annotate. You're going to click on that tab. And then there is a text tool. You're going to click on the text tool, then go down to the area where you'd like to do your typing. In this box on the bottom, go ahead and type your first name, your last name, and then what hour you have tech. Like for example, maybe you're in hour 4 right now. I'm going to click OK. That information pops up on here. Don't worry about the size. Keep in mind we're printing this on a very large piece of paper. This is going to be plenty big enough. I'm going to go up to the I and do a save as. Notice I did not go to save copy as. I am not going to be changing my file type. It's going to stay in Inventor drawing type. I'm going to save to my desktop. I'm going to name this file after my first name, my last name, and hour 4, or whichever hour you come see me. Again, do not change your file type. I'm going to click save. I'm going to minimize my software, and I'm going to look on my desktop for my file.